This is Soggy Times again, capturing your weather on Saturday, February the 19th, 2022. And we are in Port Elgin still. Oh my goodness. And we are at the Grey-Wellington Independent Grocer parking lot. And as you can see, well, actually, you can't see, but there are no cars here. There's one lone car over there, and there's a truck partially buried. Oh my goodness. Oh, talk about wind and snow. Anyway, we thought we'd stop again and just do another quick little capturing your weather, because there's so much of it. The Soggy Times on Saturday, February the 19th, 2022.